Hey Scrubby friends, it's Ashley and today I have a giveaway of the Studio Calico Golden Hour Traveler's Notebook Kit. This is the full kit that I'm giving away, and here's just a quick look at everything that's in the kit. I have an actual unboxing video if you want to see everything in more detail that I'll link to in the description box. All you have to do to win the kit is leave a comment on this video and I will choose a winner and announce that winner next Monday in a new video. So make sure you check back on August 20th to see if you're the winner. And I also have a process video for this layout in my Traveler's Notebook. This is the August Golden Hour Traveler's Notebook that I'm working in. And I'm also working with the new Bowie Alpha stamp. This actually has the letters and the numbers on the stamp set, so it's really fun. And I'm using it to stamp out the title Love You beside my photo. So I'm just kind of getting the placement of where I want the title and going ahead and getting everything lined up here because I'm going to pick all those letters up at one time with my acrylic block to get my ink on. And once I have it where I want it, I go ahead and grab it all with the acrylic block. And I'm just stamping in black. All my stamps on this layout are going to be black. I didn't want to add any color. I just wanted to use the embellishments to accent with the color instead of my ink colors this time. So that finishes out the first part of the title, and then I'm going to go and clean off my letters. I like to try to clean those off with a baby wipe just to get the extra ink off because I'm really bad about smearing ink everywhere. So I try to take care of that after I finish stamping. And now I'm going to add the word you. So I'm just putting that out under the word love, and I'm going to use another stamp after the letter U in that little excess spot to fill that in just a minute once I'm finished stamping the rest of the title. And I just used my black ink for that part also. And this is the first time I used this stamp, so I wanted to make sure I inked it up really good just to make sure it stamped okay. And it did great just because it has the thin lines and I didn't have any problem with it. It stamped really good on my layout. So this is the other stamp set that I'm going to use to add a little circle right there beside the U. It's by In a Creative Bubble, and it's called Totally Awesome. And that's what the little circle says also. It says Totally Awesome. So I just used that to fill in that space there beside the U. And these were some of the stamps that I bought at the August reveal when the new August products came out. I got the Bowie Alpha, I got this one, the Totally Awesome, and then I also got another one documenting the details by In a Creative Bubble. And there's some really fun stamps. And I also got Around Here, which is by Goldenwood Company, but I didn't use that one on this layout. And these are some of the other products that I got, just a couple of other things that coordinate with the August kit. The little chipboard pieces here, which I really like because you can use them as is, like I did. They're sticky on the back, so you can use them like that, or you can peel some of the chipboard layer off if you want to make it a little bit thinner so it's not quite as thick on your layout. And then these little stickers are in the kit. These come with the kit. You actually get 2 sheets of those, and I just wanted to bring that one in for a pop of color. And then these are also one of the August product reveals, just the little epoxy stickers. And this is where I wanted to start bringing the color into my layout. So I just use a few of those. And I always like to place things inside a circle. If I have a circle, then I usually like to put another circle inside of it. So since I had the O's in the word love you, I use those spots to fill in with some of the little epoxy stickers. And I like the color that that brought to the layout. So now I'm going to add a little bit more stamping. This is the Totally Awesome stamp set again. I really like this font that the word This Moment is in. And I really didn't know how much stamping I was going to add to this one. I wanted to get the photo and the title in place, and then I kind of went from there to see where else I wanted to stamp and just kind of let my photo placement and title placement guide where I was going to be putting the rest of my stamping. And this one is documenting the details. I always like the stamp sets that kind of have just everyday type things where they're not specific to like a certain season or holiday. You can use them for any kind of layout. You can use them on everyday layouts. You can use them for vacation layouts, beach layouts, just whatever you want. I just like to have that variety to be able to use the everyday kind of phrases and things on any layout that I'm working on. So that's why I bought so many at this reveal, because they were all great for everyday type layouts. And so I went a little crazy for my August spending, but I really like what I picked up. So I'm going to add my date also. This is the Shamil roller date stamp, whatever her latest one that came out not too long ago, and I really love it. It's my favorite go-to date stamp. And then this is the last thing that I bought during the August reveal. These are some little wood veneer stars, and there's a variety of sizes. There's, if you want to call it large, because they're all tiny, there's the largest, the medium, and then a really small one. And I just wanted to use these to create kind of a scattered look on my layout. And I really love the texture and the look of the wood that these added to the layout. I started by adding the glue to the back of the stars, but since they were so tiny, I decided to just put the glue straight on my paper and then put the stars down. If you have some crafting tweezers, you might want to use those just because they are kind of tiny. But I just love the look that these added to the layout to finish it off and just give it that finishing touch. And so that pretty much finishes this layout. I hope you enjoyed watching the process for this layout in the Golden Hour Traveler's Notebook. And like I said, don't forget to leave a comment below for the chance to win your own kit, and come back next Monday, August 20th, to check to see if you were the winner. Thanks so much for watching this time, and I hope to see you again.